Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog. We are here in the train station in Berwick upon Tweed. Yeah, we're going to. This is if you're coming from Berwick on Tweed going to
Edinburgh.
This is where you are now, guys. Yeah, we are early. We're just here. We're only my family and waiting for our train. I will show it to you.
That's our train, ante. 8 o'clock.
That's the Edinburgh where we'll be. 8:56. We're arriving expecting 8:56. Yeah. Let's go 8:10. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yan, ante.
I have MRT in Manila.
All right. You have to get the sleep train when we get back home.
Going to Berwick and Tweed. We have our platform 5, yeah?
Platform 2, uncle. Platform 2 for Edinburgh.
For Edinburgh.
So what can you say, sir? Are you a tourist here? Are you a tourist here? How are you? You alright?
Hola.
Hola.
Mean hi in Spanish.
You came from Spanish. Wow. You're a tourist. Spanish in Spain, sorry. You are Spanish, sorry.
Hola, 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 hola.
30 minutes or 30 waiting for...
We're too early.
Yeah, too early.
It's
And this
okay.
is my partner, Malcolm. What you can say about...
From
Where you came from, darling?
What?
You interviewed
where I
now.
come from.
I'm with my partner.
from
my
England.
family. Yeah. What do you think about Berwick Drive? This is our third day here. Yeah.
Yeah, but it was the first day we didn't
First
get
day,
it.
yeah, we just second.
It's all right,
Because
isn't it?
we travel
It's
from
enough. It's quiet enough, isn't it? At night anyway.
by Manxman. We brought our
Right.
car.
It's surprisingly quiet it is at night, isn't it?
So quiet, uncle.
It is compared to the day.
Because it's weekdays, but
Yeah,
Sunday and weekends gonna be
That's true.
lots of people here. Okay.